Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will learn about the use of matrix visualization in Power BI. The matrix visual is similar to a table. A table sports two dimension where the matrix sport the n dimension. Okay, what it mean? This is very simple. For example, this is the simple table which I created in Power BI, and inside the column the subcategories are and the sum of the products, and the third column is region. Here you can see that for each subcategory, for example, we have a subcategory of copiers. We have for the copiers inside the region we have duplicate rows. Basically we have the value of profit inside the region west and east the other value of profit. Okay, so for each subcategories, here you can see that if we talk about the accessories, we have four rows. For example, each specific value of each region. Okay, so this is the two dimension. Okay, so now we will convert this, or we will create a matrix rather than this table. Then you will basically differentiate between them. How easy the matrix explain the n dimension rather than two dimension. Okay, so for example, here I create a new page, and inside new page on the build, this is the matrix. Click on this and drag and drop in a meaningful area. Okay, inside the rows, for example, I set the subcategory, drag and drop this inside the rows. Here you can see this, the new column subcategories is created on the matrix. Inside the columns, for example, I place the region, and inside the values there's this sales. Okay, here you can see this. Okay, inside this, for each, for example, the accessories are now a unique row. Okay, and inside the each basically region are displayed on column wise, and we can assume in a one row all the meaningful data for accessories. The value is inside the central, east, south and west region, and the total is also showing row wise and vertically column wise. So this is the beauty of matrix, how you can visualize the data in n dimension rather than two dimension. Okay, so for each specific row, we have it tell this matrix tells us all these region values of the sales. So I hope you have understood about this concept of matrix and how you can differentiate between the matrix and tables. Hope this video will help you a lot. You can order me any work. The order link is mentioned in video description. Just go to that specific link, fill your criteria. You can attach any file, or you can write inside the message about your work. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask inside the video comment section, or you can, a question link is also mentioned in video description. Just go to that specific link in order to ask any question. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice